So biodiversity and biodiversity conservation. Actually, bio means life, diversity means variety. Bio means life, diversity means variety. Variety of life, variety of living beings, variety of species. Biodiversity refers wide variety of life on the earth. Wide variety of life on the earth. The variety and variability among all groups of living beings, living organisms, and the ecosystem in which they occur. In which they occur. Variety and variability among all groups of living beings, living organisms, is known as biodiversity. What is the importance of biodiversity? Suppose, see, uh, connectivity, habitat, rare ecosystems, recreation, culture and aesthetics, public health, genetic diversity, pollution, invasive species, land management, protected lands, all these comes under the biodiversity. Various species, variety and variability among all groups of living organisms is known as biodiversity. It's very important for human life because we depend on plants, microorganisms, earth, animals, wild animals for our food, medicine and industrial products. For everything we are depending on other living beings with wide variety. We have different taste. Individual having their own taste. We are depending for our life. Hence, we have to maintain biodiversity. So it protects the fresh air, clean water, and productive land. See, significance of the biodiversity. Fresh air. So, number of plants are there. Whatever polluted the air is there, completely the air will be fresh. Remove the pollution, absorbs the pollutant, and then fresh air we can get. Microorganisms present in water, they clean the water, even though we are polluting. In productive land, whatever decomposers are there, they are giving fertile land, as we discussed in ecosystem, biotic factors, producers, consumers, decomposers. That is the significance of biodiversity. Biodiversity protects. Some animal can do like this, some animal can do like this, some insect can do that, some microorganisms can do like this. Various works do in variability to conserve our mother earth. It's also important for forestry, fishery, agriculture, which depends on rich variety of various biological resources available in nature. Loss of biodiversity has serious economic and social cost for any culture, any community, any country. Totally evolved. Hence, we have conserve the biodiversity. Briefly, biodiversity is classified into genetic, species, the community or ecosystem biodiversity. Everything we will discuss in detail. Biogeographical classifications of India. The division of India according to biogeographic characteristics is known as biogeographical classification of India. Biogeography is the study of the distribution of species, organisms, in the ecosystem in geographic space and the geological time. India is a mega biodiversity nation. It's divided into, as per biogeographical classification, Trans-Himalayan zone, this one, Himalayan zone, desert zone, semi-arid zone, Trans-Himalayan zone, Western Himalayan zone, Eastern Himalaya, this one, Northeast Himalayas, this region, Gangetic Plain, this region, coast, this one, semi-arid zone, this area, desert, this one, Western Ghats, all this one, entire this one, oceans, Deccan Plateau region, this one, islands, Andaman Nicobar, Malabar, like that. So this is the biodiversity, biogeographical classification of India. Wherever biodiversity is rich. Trans-Himalayas, Trans-Himalayas includes Ladakh Mountains, Tibetan Plateau, Sikkim, the Himalayas, Northwest Himalaya, West Himalaya, Central Himalaya, East Himalaya, the Indian Desert, Thar, Kutch, the semi-arid, Punjab Plain, Gujarat, Western Ghats, Malabar Plains, mountains, Karnataka, Kerala, like that. The Deccan Peninsula region, Central Highlands, Chota Nagpur, Eastern Highlands, Central Plateau, Deccan South, the Gangetic Plains, Upper Gangetic Plain, Lower Gangetic Plains, the coast, West Coast, East Coast and Lakshadweep, Northeast, Brahmaputra Valley, Northeast Hills, Islands, Andaman and Nicobar. This is the biogeographical classification of India. What is the values of biodiversity? Biodiversity having direct and indirect values. Direct values are consumptive use, productive use. Indirect values are social and cultural, ethical, aesthetic, optional and ecosystem values. So India is a mega biodiversity nation due to various climatic reasons. 12th mega diversity nation among the world. 10th place among plant richness. 11th in number of high vertebrate species. 6th in center of diversity and origin of food crops. Origin of 5,000 flowering and 320 food plant species. Marine diversity still to be explored. Hence, India is a mega biodiversity nation. What are the threats to biodiversity? Habitat loss, man-wildlife conflicts, poaching of wildlife. How biodiversity will conserve? In situ conservation through biosphere reserves, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, sacred forests, ex situ conservation through zoos, botanical gardens, seed banks, aquaria, tissue culture, gene bank, sacred plants. This is biodiversity and its conservation. Biodiversity and its conservation. So bio means life and diversity means variety. Hence biodiversity refers wide variety of life and earth. The variation in living organism is called biodiversity. Why biodiversity will be lost? Due to various aspects, biodiversity will lose. Some examples. Nowadays, for agriculture, modern agriculture, due to green revolution, farmers prefer hybrid seeds. As a result, many plant species become extinct. Only hybrid varieties we are cultivating. For production of drugs, medicines, companies collect wild plants without conserving. Wherever it is there, they are simply cutting and then collecting. Several medicinal plants now will be extinct. Due to habitation loss, majority of the wildlife is going to extinct. Majority of the wildlife is going to extinct. Hence, there is a lot of importance to conserve the biodiversity. To conserve biodiversity.